let's go right.
Hey, hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna ride a new route. It's not a route I made myself. This one is actually, my dad actually found it on some of the magazines that he's subscribed to. It was luckily was quite close. Part of it we've ridden before, so the first part, the leg dyke, it's something we quite commonly ride. And for the rest, well, let's see. As you see, today is actually the first time I'm riding with the new mirrors, so I put a link up to the installation of the mirrors up here. And the same for the handlebars, also the first time with straight handlebars. I really don't notice any difference, but okay, it's fixed anyway. The weather is actually very nice. It's not that warm. It's, I think, a whopping 8 to 9 degrees. It's really sunny. So that's really nice. If you ask me, this is actually the best weather to ride, because there's not too many people outside because of the chilly temperature. But the roads are dry, sunny, really nice, so let's enjoy. Oh yeah, today I'm riding with my dad, so you should be able to hear him.
Ja.
Yeah.
Driving a little bit quieter than normally. Push up.
Yes. Some really lovely curves. What else do you want to do on a Sunday morning?
Het is toch weer mooi zo, hè?
Echt wel. So as you may know, I missed the last video on Friday, and that was simply because I didn't have a lot of time to ride the past few weeks. And the times that I had, or that I had the opportunity to ride, we had quite a bit of storms. So yeah, I think we had 5 or 6 consecutive storm days past few weeks.
Dat opletten fijn dat we hier er vanaf moeten volgens mij.
Ja, de volgende. Hier mogen we niet in.
Ja, nee.
So yeah, life plays out sometimes that way, yeah, so, but okay. Nee, de volgende, want dit is een inrit. All these really narrow streets look like each other.
Hier is het.
Yes. Turn left at the town spot.
Dit is Kerklijn.
Be quiet for the church.
Dit, chic ideetje.
Allemaal van dit soort bruggetjes, die zijn wel leuk.
Ja, er zit namelijk op een ergere tussen. Dit vind ik wel zo'n mooi stukje, joh, dit te rijden. Het wordt nog mooier straks.
Ik zie de gozer wel een beetje doortrant. Wat zeg je?
Ja, die mensen die kan ook gewoon naast elkaar blijven lopen en doos kijken. Hè?
Oeh, doggies.
Ah, dat is toch schitterend dit, hè?
Ja. nice.
Hebben jullie eens gereden of niet?
Ik denk dat ik hier wel eens heb gereden, ja, maar dat is wel lang geleden. Some really beautiful houses. Typical Dutch farmlands. Goats, sheep.
Huh?
Some goats, some sheep.
Huh? Nou, dat is schitterend dit, hè?
Ja.
Dat was een springschans, maar er komen er nog meer.
Ja, ik zie er daar eentje, ja.
Nederland toch mooi, hè?
Ja, echt wel. En er zitten ook echt verschrikkelijk mooie huizen tussen.
Nou, hier hebben we er weer een, hè?
Wow. Hoppé. This is really the typical Dutch farmlands, and what you see is, wait for the pony. And what you see is all these small channels or small water lines that you see. These were actually used to drain all the water from the land. So they dug all these channels and then they put a windmill somewhere, and then they could just lower the water level, and then we could use the land for the cows or to grow crops. And that's why in Netherlands almost always you see these kind of channels next to farms. And it's also the way how the farmers, they sold or segregated all the pieces of land. But now we're back on the IJsseldijk. Almost back where we started. And we had a really nice ride of about 2 hours, 1.5, 2 hours more or less. And as you know, it's not the first time we actually do the IJsseldijk. I ride that quite a bit, but now we ride the other way around. So it took you again, huh? But look at this view. Oops. See, on top of that roof is still some damage from the storm. Not completely cleaned up. Really nice view. If you enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up. I'll leave a link for the route down below in the description, and I will see you the next time. Bye.